Hi everyone, welcome to hashtag Pink Ribbon. This is an open collaboration that anyone's welcome to join. It is hosted by Jean at Jean's Gems. Hi Jean, who is a lovely person and crafter. This was from October 17th, which I'm late with, and I apologize to Jean. I got behind and then I was having real issues with my hands and Twinchies were the thing, and we only had to do one. Twinchies are little 2 by 2 items that you decorate, and the only requirements in this collab is you have to have pink ribbon somewhere on your project. You have to use the hashtag. Nothing can be Halloween related. And so, I'm trying to use things up. So this is a Stampin' Up! Color called Basic Beige. This is a Michaels paper I had left over from doing my little coffee books. It's a pink 12 by 12 paper pad, but I had little pieces still sitting on my floor in my coffee bin I need to get put away soon. The trims here, and actually under here as well. I don't know if you can see there's a trim under there. It's sparkly. Those were from Michaels years ago from the $1.50 bin, and they're adhesive backed trims. This is embroidery floss or something that I got at either a thrift store or probably a thrift store, because seems like this wasn't terribly long ago, and I haven't been doing yard sales lately. So it is embroidery floss type stuff, and I probably paid $1 or something for it, maybe not even. But I remembered I was looking for twine in a pale pink, and I remembered I had this, and it was right in the front of the bin, luckily. So I used, on this one, I used this, and on this one, I used this, and the red, because I had to tie in something. And then the other thing I used is, I've had these out. It's a Kaiser Craft Lucky Dip Flourish pack. I got it from Joann's in November of 2017, and it was 50% off. And sadly, I have like a plastic shoebox full of wood things. So I'm keeping this one out until I finish it, and then I'll move on to the next one, I guess. And then this paper is Kirby Teasdale Studio 12 by 12 paper pack that I'm also trying to use up, and I used it in a junk journal, my Junk No More junk journal that I started. Okay, so this one I'll start with. This was already colored in and I believe I used alcohol markers to color it, but I added, where's my jar of pink glitter glue? This giant jar from maybe Hobby Lobby on sale, maybe Walmart. I'm not sure. I think it was Hobby Lobby. Oh, it says right on there, Hobby Lobby, duh. So yes, I bought this on clearance for 69 cents one time, and it works fine. And it's a huge bottle of glitter glue. So I just put that all over it to soften the color a little bit, and B, to just make it shimmer and shine more. And then I did the 3-color ribbon on here. So this is just layered 2-inch, 1 3/4 inch, 1 1/2 inch. And that was a scrap. This one, I was going for a green butterfly and I made it a little too dark, and that is also colored with alcohol markers. And then I used black stickles. I had black diamond for the body. And these are Prima. I have them here somewhere. Here they are. These are Prima. I don't know, the name of them oh, here. It just says Prima Flowers. I don't know if it has a color. Lucy. The name of this color mix is Lucy. I don't know if they still sell them or not, but these are real pale, and I thought they went well with that pale pink paper. So that's why I used those. Then this was the heart. And this one, I used my new Posca paint pens. And I believe I used, these are 0.5 millimeter. Yep, I used the larger point, and colored the wood. I tried to do the side as well, and they really took nice. I didn't have to use gesso or anything. And then, of course, I spread it with pink glitter glue, and then I stuck on a little ribbon, and that's from Hobby Lobby. And then on this, the shimmery ribbon from Michaels, I just layered 3 of those Prima flowers on it. And I did edge all of this in Distress Oxide tea dye. So those are my projects for October 17th. I made them on the 19th. I apologize and to Jean, but I'm trying to catch up. So next week, October 21st, Monday, we have book plate. I've never made a book plate, but I think I can figure it out. October 22nd is a coloring page, which is my new passion, so I have to find an appropriate coloring page, even though I just did one last week. October 23rd is watercolor or marker, and I'm going to try watercolor on something. Um, and October 24th is flower. Hmm. I have a thought on that. October 23rd, I'm probably going to be watercoloring a flower, but I'm not going to count that for the 24th as well. So, yeah, so come back and see. I don't know if I'll have anything posted on Monday. I might need until Tuesday to get the first one or two done, and then probably Thursday for the other two. I'm not sure yet. I would like to get them done ahead of time, but I have some other stuff I have to get done first. All right, please go check out Jean and use the hashtag. You are going to have to search because when you type in hashtag pink ribbon, tons of breast cancer awareness stuff, which is what this is for. October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Anyway, tons of stuff unrelated to this collab come up, so you do have to kind of search. But if you look for them and look for at Jean's Gems too, you might be able to. I wish you could filter once you do the hashtag, like even by date or something, but I can't figure out how to do that yet. So anyway, YouTube, if you're listening, try and get us a way to further filter when you use those hashtags. Okay? All right, guys, take care. Have a wonderful week. Hugs, love, and peace.